Hi everyone, it's Matt McLennan with Kidder Mathews Commercial Real Estate in Tacoma, Washington. I thought I'd touch today on nearshoring. Now, nearshoring has been discussed for quite some time now, not exactly a new topic, but started to gain a lot more traction following the COVID-19 pandemic as supply chains completely fell apart for the most part during that pandemic period. Now, we've seemingly bounced back, but what it taught a lot of these companies is that relying on China and offshore manufacturing and distribution networks is problematic at best. And the pandemic exposed a lot of weakness in a lot of these companies' supply chains. So nearshoring started to gain a lot of traction and focus. Now, what a lot of people don't realize when it comes to nearshoring, though, is how much truly goes into that concept, right? I mean, if you're looking at where to nearshore, you have to think of technology, availability of labor, basic infrastructure, amenities, access to roads, airports, train networks. There's so many different factors that when you think about an established manufacturing and distribution network, such as using China as an example, right? The getting plugged in for a manufacturing operation over there is a lot more streamlined and straightforward versus establishing a new nearshoring venture. So something to consider if you are looking at nearshoring. And to me, it's just very interesting to think about the concept of more manufacturing, whether it's coming to U.S. soils or Mexico, Central America, somewhere nearby, Canada, versus being overseas. So hope that helped and taught you a few things about nearshoring today. Thanks as always for watching.